this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get this elements kit pro WordPress add-on plugin in just $4 with lifetime update. So I will purchase this and I will tell you how to install it in your WordPress website. Click on buy now. Now here you have to fill your basic details. Now if you are someone who is a developer, or if you want to purchase multiple products, then you can get a membership from us. It will cost you less, but you can just access multiple products in cheap price. Here you have to now it's done. Now you see this, the first one is the plugin file. Now this one is the second one. This one is the add-ons file. So it's like we'll get all the add-ons also, so you don't need to purchase it extra. We'll get everything, and just it will be like $4. In $4 you are getting all add-ons plus this file, main file. Wait, add new plugin. uh, Now you see this, it's done. Now you see this, now I want to clear this thing. To use this, it's activated, but to use this first you have to install the Elementor, then after it this will work.